Okay, let's go. What started as a brief cut in the previous video turned into what will be a brand new video. Here's some practice based on the concept of solving single variable equations and some knowledge of angle pairs and angle relationships. 3 examples. I got a black one there, an orange one, and a green one, as you can see. Why don't you pause the video and see if you can solve those. Okay, welcome back. I'm here to help. Let's do this one over here first. So A and C are vertical angles, which means they are congruent. Fancy way of saying they are the same or equal, as you know. I'm gonna go to black here, which means 3x is the same as 42. Since they're vertical angles, that's how we could solve that. Divide both sides by 3, x equals 14. And the proof then is angle A is 3 times 14, which is 42, which also equals what was given, angle C. So we solved for x. And since we already knew A was 42 because vertical angles, it was easy to solve that. It was a one-step solution. Okay, up to the orange one. Let me leave that on screen for a second. We just set them equal to each other. Think of this vertex in the middle here. You can put an equal sign there and work top and bottom. Or if I had some different numbers in here for D and B, you could work, because those two are going to be equal. Very nice. Orange, next. These are not complementary or supplementary because they add up to 134. But the good news is they do add up to something. They add up to 134. In fact, angle A is 13x degrees. Use the space over here to solve. And angle B is 56. And it's given to us that they add up to 134. So that looks easy, right? We've been solving these forever. Not forever, but for months. And then we can just solve it, which is going to give us lots of information. It's going to tell us what x is, and it's going to tell us what angle A measures. 134 minus 56 is 78. Hopefully you did a calculator and are checking my work. According to my calculations, x equals 6, which means angle A equals 13 times 6, which is 78 degrees. And we check our work. Does 78 plus 56 equal 134? Yes, it does. Check it on your calculator. It sure does. So that's good. We solved that. And finally, the green one. I have 3 angles here. And the statement given is that they are supplementary, which means what? Yes, they add up to 180. So let's go. All the stuff that they equal put together adds to 180. So I've got 3x. That's angle A. Angle B is 3 of angle A's. So that's 3 of angle A's. plus 1. Here's A. Here's B. And then C is 7x plus 8 degrees. And that all equals 180. Yeah, this is a tough one. If you're frustrated and just want to rage quit right now, I understand. You don't have to continue. But aren't you curious? We put all these together. So A is 3x, B is 3 of those, and 1, and then C is 7x plus 8. So let's combine our x's. 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 7 is 19, and 1 plus 8 are numerical terms. 8 plus 1, 9, okay. And now we solve. Make sure I don't run out of room. Boom, boom. You see what I see happening here? What's 19 times 10? Right, 190. But then if you take one of those 19s away, what do you get? Yes, 171, which means x equals 9. Based on that, angle A equals 27. And you know how we're going to check this, right? We're going to check it by making sure they add up to 180. Angle B equals 3 of those, which is 81. And angle C is 7 of those. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 8 is 71. Wait a minute. 7 times 9 is, oh boy, okay. Oh, 81 plus 1. And 9 times 7, 63 plus 8 is 71. 81 plus 1, 82. Let's add them together. Blah, blah, blah. Carry the 1. Yeah. There we go. They add up to 180. That's them. If you need to recap any of these, I know it went quickly, but we just went meat and potatoes. Started with 3 problems. There you go. Time to work. And then that's how I did them. How did you do them? Thank you for watching, and goodbye.